Hey, Zach here from digitalconstructive.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to pass your C-23 license exam. Now, the C-23 Ornamental Metals Contractor License Exam is going to include sections on planning and estimating, fabrication, installation, finishes and repairs, and safety. And if you're unfamiliar with the C-23 license, you're going to want to watch our previous video where we break this classification down in detail. Today, we're just going to be focusing on the examination. Now, as is the case with all California contractor licenses under the C specialty, you'll also need to pass your CSLB Law and Business exam, and that'll include sections on business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, public works, and safety. So essentially, you've got to pass two tests, 115 questions covering law and business and 115 questions covering ornamental metals. It's going to be a multiple choice exam, closed book. You'll get 3 hours to complete each section. It's going to be a computerized test that you'll take at a CSLB testing facility. So if you're applying from out of state, just know that you will need to come to California to take the exam. Now, we've got a free guide that breaks the entire licensing process down from A to Z and guides you through every single step, how to fill out the application correctly, sample questions, everything that you need to know. You can check that out in the top right-hand corner. Now, the ornamental metals specialty portion of your test is going to be extremely critical. You're going to be tested on job site preparation, design of ornamental metal products, site evaluation, fabrication preparation, cutting tools and assembly, staircases, fences, railings, and gates. You'll need to understand forming metal, welding, California building code, environmental safety, and then of course employee safety. Now there's a lot more that's going to be on the C-23 license trade exam, but this is just kind of a snapshot of what you need to be prepared to answer questions on. Now, the mathematics that you're going to want to have tight going into this exam, obviously your applied math, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Make sure that you're able to calculate square footage, understand the different units of measurement, and then of course job costing and estimation, so just decimals and percentages. Just make sure that you understand how to get through the math related questions relatively easily. Now, preparing for your C-23 license exam you need to know California law and business. There's a lot of topics that fall under law and business, so make sure that you're familiar with every single area and that you've seen some possible questions that could arise. Make sure you're tight on your trade-specific fundamentals. Know all aspects of the ornamental metal trade, and of course, again, see the possible questions. Understand what could arise and how to be prepared. California takes health and safety codes, laws, and regulations extremely seriously. So, job site safety, employees' rights, workers' rights, environmental safety. These are all topics that are really big in California. So they're going to represent a significant portion of your test. And then your fundamental math skills, common equations, formulas. Make sure you have some test taking experience. Flashcards, timed exams with answer explanations are extremely helpful, with walkthroughs of the exam with licensed contractors and lawyers, giving you insight on understanding the verbiage that's going to be on the test, and not only how to pass, but how to run a profitable company in California. All of this is going to be included in our C-23 license program. I hope you found this video helpful. Just want to thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to our channel. And again, my name is Zach from digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.